I'm Dr. Tia Harris, and I specialize in helping people become successfully divorced. Divorce can feel like the end, but I'm here to help you see it as a new beginning. Whether you're overwhelmed with emotions, trying to co parent peacefully, or struggling to rediscover your confidence, you're not alone. As a certified coach in REBT, CBT, emotional intelligence, and confidence life coaching, I use proven mindset tools to help you heal, grow, and rebuild with clarity and purpose. Through one on one coaching, mindset intensives, and real life strategies, I will help you stop surviving only and start thriving after divorce.